What is up, you guys? Welcome back. Yesterday I was streaming, and during that stream we were talking about how CSGO knives and gloves are really profitable. So today in this video I'm going to prove that to you, not by just talking about it, but actually showing you examples that you can go and put buy orders for right now, and you're most likely going to get those items purchased. I think the best way to go about it, if you want to buy skins and actually play with them, but also flip them and make a profit with them. And here's how you can do it. First, you need the money, of course. You put buy orders whenever you get the item, you use the item, you play with it during the day. At night though, you list it for sale, and so you go to sleep. In the morning, if it was bought, okay, you profited and you put new buy orders for new items. Perfect. But if it wasn't bought, you just play with it again, you put it for sale again, and you just go on like that, and you can have really good knives while during the day, and at night you can even change your knives for a profit. Alright, let's get into the examples. Like usual, I'm going to go to the market, sort by CSGO, and type in knife, and sort by price. And I'm gonna start at like page 45. We have like 100 euro knives right here. And one by one, I'm gonna open all of them and check them out and show you guys the profit, if it's at all profitable. Alright, first knife that I opened was Stiletto Knife Urban Mass Start Track. This one can be sold sometimes to you for 75, and it can also sell for 95. You can put your buy order right now for about 77 euros, multiply by that 1.15 to calculate the tax, and you get that you must sell it for at least 88, okay? And let's say you sell it for what, 95, because that's something they actually sell for. 95 divided by 115, that means you would get 82 euros 60 cents, and you paid 77, so that would be 5 euros 60 profit from owning this knife. Alright, next one, Huntsman Ultraviolet and Well Worn. This one you would be able to get for 84.30, multiply that by 115, you need to sell it for at least 97, okay? And you being able to sell for 101, divide that by 115, means you get about 3.5 euros profit. It's not bad. It's a good amount of profit for owning a knife. I mean, you just play around with this thing, and after a few days you sell it and you profit. Okay, next example, here's a gut knife case harden 8438. Let's say we sell it for 102. We divide that by 1.15 and subtract from that 84.5, okay, we get 4.20 euros profit from this knife. Okay, next one would be Bowie Knife Knight in bottle card condition. This one also sells like this easily, and it's even more profit than that. Look at that. Next one, 103. Okay, this one maybe not quite. Let's we have to calculate it. That's why we use the calculator. Let's say we sell it for 103, divide that by 1.15. Okay, this one would be barely breaking even, actually losing a bit even. But yeah, just don't buy it and that's it. That's how you don't lose money on that. Something like this, it has a big gap, but it doesn't really sell for 78. Sometimes it does, and when it does, it's massive profit. So it doesn't hurt to put a buy order for it. Here's another example, 86 euros you can get this one, sell it for that and you profit like 2 euros, not great. There's actually knives that you can profit 25 euros with. This one wouldn't be profitable. Here you go, 86 euros you buy and you sell it for 100 minimum. Let's go. Okay, and the knives we looked at, this was all just from one page of knives. Imagine 225 pages, that's just insane. Okay, now we're going to look at gloves. I'm gonna sort by price, and we're gonna go to like page, I don't even know, I guess this is enough, page 6 is enough. Okay, Broken Fang Gloves Needle Point, let's look at these ones. Okay, let's say we buy it for 95 and sell it for 114, just to be a lot under market price. Divide that by 1.15 and you get 99. So you would get around 5.5 euros profit on this glove. This one right here, Hand Wraps Arboreal. I've never actually seen these gloves before. Doesn't matter. 114, that's what I'm gonna sell it for. Divide that by 1.15 equals 99 euros, meaning you can profit 3 euros right here. And a similar situation here, also 96 euros price, and sell it for 114 easily, because you see it actually goes for that. It was 6 days ago when it went, and even for more than that it happened 8 days ago. This one right here has a buy order of as low as 91.45, and people are actually selling for that, and people have been buying for 113, 116, so why not? Yeah, that's it. Like, It's as easy as that. It's just the same thing I've been showing you over and over, just with gloves. And the whole point is that you buy these things, you play with them during the day, and you just have some fun. That's it. Alright, that is pretty much all I wanted to show. I just wanted this to be straight to the point. I don't want to pour a lot of water onto this video, so I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like if so, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.